How to cure a cough while breastfeeding.
Most coughs while breastfeeding can be treated safely without stopping nursing. Start with non-drug measures, drink fluids, use a cool mist humidifier, saline nasal sprays, honey lemon for your relief, rest, and elevate your head at night. If needed, single-ingredient medicines like paracetamol or ibuprofen, dextromethorphan, or short-term nasal sprays are usually compatible. Avoid codeine and oral decongestants when possible. Check each ingredient, watch baby and milk supply, and see a clinician for severe or persistent cough.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe.